and girls, today we're going to be learning about ladybugs. So I hope that you'll listen to my ladybug book and you'll learn even more about ladybugs. But let's look over here at our purple square and the number 1. It says, I see a lovely little ladybug. Is it big or small? What do you think? Look, it's on a finger. So it's very small. Okay, let's look at our red square and the number 2. I see a lovely little ladybug. How many legs does it have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 legs. So that means that ladybugs are insects because all insects have 6 legs. Let's look at our orange square. And it has the number 3. I see a lovely little ladybug. What color are the eggs? Look at the eggs that the ladybug laid. What color are they? That's right, they're yellow. Let's look over here at our green square with the number 4. I see a lovely little ladybug. Does it eat plants or bugs? These are bugs called aphids, and that's a ladybug's favorite food. And ladybugs do good because they eat the aphids, which are bad for the plants, but they're yummy for the ladybugs. And let's look over here at square number 5. I see a lovely little ladybug. How does it go away? What's the ladybug doing? Look, it spreads its wings and it flies. And that means it can fly from flower to flower to flower. Okay. Now, I'm going to show you, if you listened to my story earlier, you would have seen that, but just in case you didn't read my story with me yet, let's look over here. So just like the butterfly and just like the frog, they don't start out that way. They start out as eggs and they go through a life cycle. So a ladybug starts out, the ladybug lays eggs and they're yellow, okay? And she lays lots of tiny eggs. Now, out of the eggs come larvae. Those are these tiny little bugs here, okay? And they're actually eating their eggs that they came out of because they're hungry, just like the caterpillars were hungry when they came out of their eggs. And next, it turns into a pupa. The larvae changes to a pupa, just like our caterpillar wrapped itself in a chrysalis. The larvae wrap themselves in a pupa and sleep until they're ready to become a ladybug. Okay? So we're going to take out our worksheet today. And we're also going to take out our strip of paper and our scissors. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to hold our thumb up and we're going to cut along the dotted line. I want you doing open, close, open, close. And then I want you to take a look at each picture. Okay? The first picture here is the pupa stage. Then we have the ladybug, and we have the eggs, and we have the larva. So let's look at our sheet. I see the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we know a ladybug doesn't start out as a ladybug. What does it start out as? Think about it. Okay, it starts out as eggs, right? Okay, so we're going to take our glue and put 2-3 dots of glue on the number 1, and then we're going to put the picture of the eggs on number 1. Okay, and out of those eggs, what hatches? Is it the pupa, the ladybug, or the larva? That's right, it's those tiny little larvae that then eat the eggs. So let's put it on number 2. So put a little bit of glue on number 2, and you're going to put the larva on number 2. Okay, so we have the eggs, the larva. Now they ate and they ate and they ate and they get tired. So do they become a pupa or a ladybug? Think about it. Think about it while you're putting your glue on number 3. Okay, and that's right. They're not ready to be ladybugs yet. They're resting in the pupa. So we're going to put that on number 3. And the last thing, once they're ready to come out and they're all grown up, they are ladybugs. So we're going to put our ladybug on number 4. Okay, and then the cycle will start all over again, because the ladybug, when it's all grown up, will lay eggs, which will become larvae, which will turn into a pupa, and again, more ladybugs will be born. Okay. Now, boys and girls, what I want you to do is I want you to take out, now we're going to do something fun. We're going to do some arts and crafts, and we're going to make our own little ladybug, okay? So you're going to need your paper plate, which you painted red. You're going to need the oval piece of black paper, and this one, which is in the shape of a triangle. You're going to need your 2 pipe cleaners and a white crayon, and you should have 2 sticker eyes like this, and then you need your black paint and your cork. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to take the black oval and we are going to put glue all over it. Okay, so put your glue all over it. And then you're going to place it on the bottom of your plate like that. Then you're going to put on your sticker eyes. Miss Linda doesn't have sticker eyes, so I'm going to glue my eyes on. But you should have stickers that you can just peel off and put on. Okay. So we'll give our ladybug 2 eyes. And then what I want you to do is I want you to draw a happy face on your ladybug. Okay? You want our ladybug to be happy because it's a cute ladybug. And then we're going to take our triangle and we're going to put it upside down, and we're going to put that right in the middle. So we're going to put some glue on it all along the triangle. And we're going to flip it over and press it down right in the center of the ladybug. And then you're going to take your pipe cleaner and bend it. And these are his antennas. So I'm going to put one over here and the other one over here. the last thing we're going to do is we're going to take our black paint. Now open it carefully because we need this for next week's project too. We're going to take our cork and we're going to dip it in the paint, not all the way, just a little bit, just enough to get paint on the bottom. And then we're going to use it like a dot dot. We're going to go down and up and down and up. Then you might need to get some more paint, and down and up, down and up. Get a little more paint, and down and up, down and up. Remember, from reading our book, we learned that ladybugs can have anywhere from 0 to 24 spots. So you can fill it up as much as you want and give him dots all over his back. Okay. And then you're going to leave it to dry, and you'll have a cute little ladybug.